Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make AI music using Suno AI in 2025. Now we all know that Suno is one of the best AI music generators that lets you create the full songs and or vocals, lyrics and instruments just by typing a single prompt. So whether you want to make a rap, pop or cinematic tracks, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it from start to finish. So first of all, you need to come here on suno.com. Once you are here, you just have to create your account, which will be free with the help of your email address. With the free email address, you are going to get 50 credits. So 50 credits are enough for you to create a song. So here, this is going to be the home page of Suno AI, where you can either click on the option of create your own song. Here in this section, you can directly type the prompt, or you can first of all click on the option of create in the left hand section. Then you are going to come here on this song description page. Now over here, you just have to simply start typing the prompt. It can be something like create a chill lo-fi song about late night studying with the soft vocals and calm beats. So this is the script or the description that I gave it. Now, if you want to add the audios, lyrics or instruments, you can click on these tabs and you can add them over here. If you want to give it more details, so you can also go to the advanced tabs and you can select the gender of the audio basically. And here you can also select a bunch of different things like the style, influence and the weirdness. So here, once you are done, simply click on the option of create that you see here on the home page, and see Suno is going to basically produce two AI generated version of the songs, as you can see it over here in the right hand section. So you can click on any one of these and start listening to the music that it generates for you. If you like it, you can click on the three dots right next to it and then you can download it. It can also generate the video instead of the image for your album, so you can ask it for doing so. And this way you will be able to make the AI music with the help of Suno AI in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.